All right, the Northeast is crippled by a monster blizzard, as they say. 58 million people buried by feet of snow and hit with hurricane force winds in some areas. And people are being told to stay at home or else. And we get to talk to Ellen Aguilar. She's in New Jersey right now. Ellen, good morning to you.
Hi, good morning. It's 8:24 Tuesday morning here in New Jersey.
Yes.
And like you heard from the reports in the past few hours, they're saying that the snow or the blizzard is a bust because we didn't get as much as we were expecting.
Okay.
But in some areas, they got almost more than 20 feet or 20 inches of snow. Here, as you can see, the cars are covered. The main road is plowed. It's quiet because everyone is inside. The travel ban is lifted. As of 11 o'clock last night, the subways and the public transportations are suspended. But as of 7:30 this morning, Eastern time, the travel ban has been lifted.
Okay. So where is it hitting worse, Ellen?
Different areas of the tri-state region. Tri-state is New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut.
Okay.
Some areas got a really bad condition, but here it's okay. This is normal in this part of New Jersey where I am. This is central New Jersey, and this is normal. I don't know if you can see me, but this is about, what, 6 inches or so.
So this is normal.
In some areas, they got 20. In New York, this is the normal downfall of the snow. It's not as much because the last time we had the blizzard, we can't even see the cars, like half of the cars. But now, as you can see, they are covered. The cars are covered, but it's not as much.
That's good news then, Ellen.
I don't know if you can see my pictures. Can you see it?
Yes, we can see it.
Hello?
But we can't see you. Hi, Ellen. So how did you guys prepare for the snow? How did you guys prepare for the news that there was a blizzard? Yeah.
Well, every time we hear things like this, you know, people tend to panic buy. So if you go to the grocery stores, bread and milk are gone first, and then, you know, the other grocery stuff. We get ready for the gas and the flowers. For the government side, people are on standby because they need to clean the streets. They need to plow. Just for everyone to be able to pass by. Emergency vehicles are on standby. Non-essential government employees are asked not to work today.
Okay.
We don't know about tomorrow, but today, Tuesday, everybody's in-house. If you're not working, then you can just stay at home and relax, basically.
All right. So how much is the storm? I mean, how long will the storm is it supposed to last?
Well, it's still coming down, as you can see. We don't know the forecast as of last night.
Yeah.
It's going to be until 11 o'clock in the morning today, but we don't know. It's still coming down. It could stop maybe by mid-morning or by noon. We really can't tell because forecast is a forecast. There is really no, it's not set in stone.
What time is it there, Ellen? What time is it there now? Ellen?
Yes.
Yes. What time is it there now?
I'm sorry?
Yes, what time is it there now? New Jersey.
Oh, it's 8:29 in the morning of Tuesday.
Yes. Okay.
And this is the first big storm for
2015.
this winter, because last year we didn't get any.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, Ellen, for your time. Thank you so much for all that information. And thank you for being here with me,
Thank,
taking time out for us here on Eagle News. Thank you so much.
thank you.
Okay, take care.